Do some leaders in this world believe that they can survive and thrive on their own? Have they not learned from the pandemic? Can there be peace and prosperity if 1/3 of the world literally prospers and the other 2/3 of the world live under siege and face calamitous threats to our well-being? What the world needs now, my friends, is that which is within the ambit of less than 200 persons who are willing and prepared to lead. Leaders must not fail those who elect them to lead.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. If you are new here, welcome, and also make sure to subscribe. It's free. On today's video, we are diving deep into a very interesting story about one of the powerful leaders in Caribbean island. That is the Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mottley. Let's get into it. As you all know that the Caribbean is no stranger to powerful leaders, but one name stands out: the Prime Minister Mia Mottley of Barbados. She is well known for her unapologetic stance on global issues. This lady has sent a bold warning to Donald Trump while fiercely defending Caribbeans and Black Americans. But what exactly did she say? And why does her message matter now more than ever? Let's break it down. For those who know Mottley, she has built a reputation as a fearless advocate for justice, climate change actions, and also economic sovereignty for Caribbean nations. She is not one to back down from the world leaders, as her latest remark have sparked global discussion. So our question is, what triggered her warning to Trump? So, with Donald Trump eyeing a return to power, his past policies and rhetoric regarding immigration, trade, and also racial issues have raised concerns. Trump's administration previously targeted Caribbean immigration with deportations and strict visa policies, and he has been vocal about trade imbalances. But Mottley is making it clear that Caribbean will not be bullied. So, Mia, she warns Trump and other global powers that Caribbean nation will not tolerate economic or political manipulation. She reminded the world of the Caribbean's long history of resilience against colonialism, slave trade, and also modern exploitation. And more important, she stood up for Black Americans, linking their struggles with those of Caribbean nation. And for those who have been watching her, you know, our warning goes beyond politics. It's about unity, identity, and empowerment. And for centuries, the Caribbean and Black America have been connected through history, through culture, and also shared struggles. And when she speaks not just for Barbados, but for an entire diaspora that has faced oppression and marginalization. So, how did Trump respond to Mottley? While he has not directed and addressed Mottley's statement, his stance on Caribbean relationship and Black issues remains controversial. And however, many Caribbean leaders and activists have praised Mottley for speaking the truth and to the power. Her message has ignited conversations about self-determination, economic independence, and the need for the strong alliances between the Caribbean and the Black America. So the big question is, what happens next? Will Mottley words push Caribbean nations to stand firm against superpower influences? Will Black Americans and Caribbeans find greater solidarity in their shared fight for justice? But one thing is that this lady has made it clear that the Caribbean will not be silenced. So, what do you think about Mottley warning to Trump? Should more Caribbean leaders take a similar stance? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and also to subscribe. Okay, so to fully grasp the significance of Mottley warning to the Trump, we must look at the history. The Caribbean has long been a strategic region for global powers, and its people have contributed immensely to the world. From Marcus Garvey Pan-Africanism movement to the role of Caribbean intellectuals in Black liberation struggles, this region has always been at the center of change. So, leaders like Eric Williams, Mike Manley, and Fidel Castro have also stood up against foreign domination. Mottley follows in this tradition, reminding the world that the Caribbean will not be treated as a pawn in the global politics. But guys, what I think is that this is not just about politics. It's about the economic future of Caribbean. Mottley has consistently pushed for financial independence, climate justice, and fair trade deals that benefit the region. But with Trump's history of economic policies that have negatively affected smaller nations, a warning serves as a shield against potential exploitation. But as I was watching that video, Mottley also addressed the Black Americans, because the struggles of Caribbean people and Black Americans are also intertwined, whether through migration, cultural influence, or political movements. These communities have uplifted each other. So guys, this warning is not just a call out to Trump. It's a call to action for all of us. Whether you are in the Caribbean, US, or anywhere in the diaspora, this is the time to unite, to demand respect, and also to shape our own destiny. And also note that the future of the Caribbean and Black Americans is in our hands. So let's make history together. So guys, let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about this warning to Donald Trump. Also like the video, share with your friends, and also don't forget to like. See you in the next video. Bye bye.